What's up, everybody? In this video, we're doing the vending machine only challenge. The only weapons we can use for the whole game are vending machine loot. We have to farm up as many mats as we can and buy stuff out of the vending machines, and hopefully win the game. Let's get into it. This is a gray vending machine. That's the thing, gray vending machine, bro. All right, well at least you have a gun now. That's good. Just in time to clear the guy here. Looks like he's an AI. So that means we will be farming this guy. Yeah, he's definitely an AI. He can build though. I don't know why he can build. Right, there we go. Hello, Mr. Shotgun. Come to buy you. Yay! I think there was an AR in that vending machine, so if I can get 100 wood, which I just did, we will be buying that AR. Or should I get the hunting rifle? I keep taking the hunting rifle. No, I'm gonna take the AR too. Hunting rifle and AR. No, fully kitted loadout right now. Still fun. Still fun. Yo, bro. What's up?
I could have played better than the Lakers tonight.
Bro. Alright, bro.
I could have done better.
Bro, time out. I'm about to freaking headshot on this guy. Hold on.
Alright.
Dead?
Yeah.
Oh, frick. I'm dead. He has a minigun. 60? Cracked. Oh my gosh, he's a rocket! What the heck? Die! Okay. I got him. Ah! He's got sniped! We're not all good! Oh my gosh, he's goated. This kid is, like, literally, what the heck? I'm fighting Buka right now, by the way. For being honest, bro, this guy's like 1,000% better than me. Yes.
Oh yeah, I think he's still here.
You can shot it. That means I can run away. Let's go. Oh, there's a rift right there. Wait, I can get away. Yes! Keep shooting him. No! Why are we shooting me? No, it's not fair. I have mats. He doesn't. Oh my gosh, just keep going. Let's go.
Nice.
We're chilling.
Dang, bro.
How did he still hit me?
Imagine that dude just snipes you across the map.
I would literally rage quit and never hop on Fortnite again. I have to travel across the lake to the freaking... Waste all my wood.
Travel across
Whatever's in this
America
chest
just
better
for
be
chest.
freaking good, bro. There he goes, on the move, yep. And you're dead.
Nope.
What? Alright, bro, so my aim is absolute dog. This guy right here, he's dead.
In.
He's dying.
Alright, let's see it.
Oh, I got this gun. This is good aim, bro.
Oh, he's dead.
I missed! It's all good, bro, it's all good. You die, please.
How much wood does he have?
My wall! Ah! Watch this. Boom!
Nope.
Boom!
Yeah, I watched.
Nope.
Oh, he almost got it.
Boom!
Nope.
Boom! 200.
Nice.
Dead. Oh, holy cow. Do it again,
I
you
think
won't.
someone sniped you.
Hold on, watch this. Snipe me again, you won't. Yeah, you scared? Snipe me again. Yeah. One more time?
You nearly got you silly.
Good. Bro, I'm not scared, bro. Shoot me. Shoot me! Brother, why are we running from me? He doesn't see me. Hold on. Sneaky play here. Watch this, bro. Frick. It's all good.
Yeah, I think he definitely sees it now.
Did not. He has no idea I was there. this. No, I missed. Oh, he's one tap.
He's so low.
What? He has to be 1 HP. Like, actually, he has to be like 1 HP. Oh, yeah, what's this one?
Okay.
Oh, high level play. Oh, he built.
That's
another guy
high
here.
level play.
No, it's another guy. Who are you? Dang it, bro. That guy's not good, dude.
Ooh.
Better than me, never mind. We're pushing? Off that, bro? Hit me for like 60. Why are you pushing? Yeah, bro. Like, you're not good at the game. Yeah, you did. I mean, that's crazy. 20 tag is insane. Oh my gosh, I couldn't get up in time. Alright, I just need to play slow. In time. Nice.
What?
How do you not die from that?
That's what I was thinking.
Dead to fall, let's
Nice.
go, bro. Oh, hello.
Oh shoot.
My
Oh
game
crap.
is bubbly. You can see me?
Ooh.
What?
Oh, he's pushing you.
What? Huh?
This guy might be smart.
Oh no, don't shoot me, bro. Don't shoot me, bro. Don't shoot at an angle. Wait, kill him. Behind me? Where is this guy? Is he below me? Huh? He's below me.
Yo!
He's not below me. He's above me. Whatever, I'm chilling, bro. I'm in. Bro, I was in zone, dude. AR, a medkit, and minis. 100 brick, 100 brick.
Alright. Nice.
I got the AR. I'm gonna go look. If I die, I die. There's a minigun. And they're both coming. There's two of them. Yeah, I'm dead, bro.
Dang, what are we doing?
Trash. This thing is trash, bro. That's the worst thing ever. I got a shotgun from the jump.
Crazy strat, but it worked.
I got an AR for that machine. I'm gonna take the SMG. There's a shotgun and a big quad and SMG. 20?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ah, I built! That's insane, I built!
Oh shoot. Okay, good. How do you get into my build? Not really cheating or something.
Okay.
Nice. Nice.
No way you can be able to damage. Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna use the minigun.
Good bloom! Holy cow, what is that, bro? I can't edit! Like, what are we doing?
Got that. Let's go!
Like, what are we doing?